Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we will be talking about the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale. I hope you all have heard about it, and guess what? Most time we hear about Nordstrom, we think about clothes and jewelry, purses and so on, but today I will be picking out a few home decor stuff that are there on sale that you can grab. So I'm just going to find some stuff that are a bit more reasonable because you know some things can be a bit pricey. So let's get right into the first item. The first item that I choose to put on this list is the Peri Fringe pillow. Now this pillow comes in blush pink, navy and gray. It is very sleek. It have this vintage chic look. It's a 12 by 18 pillow, and it also comes with a zipper that you can always remove the cover and wash it. You can hand wash it. I don't think you should put this in a washing machine because of the fringe on it. So this pillow is really a good deal. It's only $19 now, so I believe you can grab that one at Nordstrom this anniversary sale. These products as well, I will put it in the description. I will put the link in the description so that you can just head on over to there very quickly. So next item on this list is the Nest candle. This Nest candle, cedar and lavender, it's pretty good. It smells good, and anything in Nest for me smells so good. The Nest candle also comes with in various sizes, so guess what, you can choose the size that you need. When you use this candle in your bedroom, the scent push out into other room in the house. Grab your next candle. It's pretty good, and it starts at only $17, and I can say it smells so good. It have this little masculine, just a tiny tips of feminine smell, but the masculine smell is so good, and as I said, it diffuses and smells good into the home. The Supernova diffuser, this is a pretty good item as well. It is $55. It's a bit pricey, but the look of it, the sleekness and everything, it's pretty good. It's well designed, and it's an awesome diffuser. It has automatic shut off, so that when you're not in use, it can shut off on its own. So it has timer from 60 minutes, 90 minutes, 120 minutes. So when the minutes are finished, it just shut off on its own. You can just add water, your favorite essential oil, turn it on and diffuse the home with your favorite essential oil. So grab your Supernova diffuser. It's a pretty good deal over Nordstrom Anniversary Sale. You will love it, and let's get into the next deal. The next deal is the Pierhead letterboard. This comes with like 290 something letters and numbers. You can use this to create your baby's milestone. You can put your favorite quote on it. There's one here behind me as well. It's not the Pierhead, but it's a pretty good gift as well for someone. This one is only $19. It comes in gray, and it is a pretty good deal as well. You can put your favorite quote, you can put your child's milestone, you can just put it as a reminder for certain things as well. The letters and numbers, it comes with a lot of letters and numbers that you can interchange to put your favorite quote. This is a good decor piece as well. It's gray, so it will blend in with any color scheme of your choice, and that's a good thing. It's a good deal. You can grab it over there this anniversary sale. And the next item on my list is this geometric rug. The Lorena geometric tassel rug is a next thing that you can add on your list. This is a bit more pricey, but you know your girl love a rug and will splurge on any rug. But this rug will fit into your boho theme, your farmhouse theme. Well, for me, this rug will just fit for any theme that I choose. But it's very sleek, it's machine washable as well, it's kids friendly, and it's a good deal as well for the type of rug. The pattern on it, it comes in different color pattern as well. It comes with an orangish pattern, it comes with a light bluish tealish pattern, it comes with little green as well. So this rug you can grab. It's pretty good and sleek, and guess what, just choose a rug that suits you based on the color. They have a wide variety of rugs. I can't show you everything here, but you can choose whichever rug suits you best. But I love this Lorena rug. The next set of item on my list is this maple circular container storage set. It's a 4-piece set, and I'm not sure if you're like my household where I always have a good amount of containers, but when you're ready for one, you cannot find any. You're always giving away container. Now this circular set is microwavable, freezer, fridge, you can use it anywhere, and also that means you can use it for warm stuff, cold stuff, hot stuff. It is a good gift as well to give someone, and also if you're short on containers, it's a good deal. The quality of it is pretty good. It's a 4-piece set, and it also has a see-through on the lid, so the lid is leak proof, and you can sit inside of it as well to see which food you're going to choose. You can just use it as a prepping container as well. You can store your food in it. When you finish cook, dish out, you can just use it to prep your weekly food. It comes in different sizes as well. So the maple storage container set, it's a good deal to grab. Go over there and grab it. And also on this list as well is a Zodiac candle. So if you're a person that love your bird sign, if you're an Aries, Pisces, Taurus, Scorpio, Sagittarian, Leo, whatever sign you are, you can purchase these candles as a decor piece. It's only $7 for it, and also you can purchase it as a gift to someone. So if you have a friend that is a Pisces, you can always purchase a Pisces candle for them. For the price, it's pretty good. You just grab on it, and for candle, you can't go wrong with candle. So grab on your Zodiac candle. It's a pretty good deal. As I said, link will be in the description so you can grab your favorite candle. And since we're in the home as well, let me head into the kitchen. This Dash Express egg cooker, it's a pretty good deal to grab. If you're an egg lover like my family, you will need one of these egg cooker. What these egg cooker do, it takes a shorter time period to cook your eggs, and it don't overcook your eggs. So you can set it based on a minute or so to cook your eggs in a shorter time. So it will cook before even the water boil on the stove. So get your Dash egg cooker. It's on a pretty good deal over there. Nordstrom Anniversary Sale is one of the best deals that you can get with some of your home decor stuff. Some stuff, as I said, are a bit pricey, but if you sift through the sale, you can get good price stuff. The next thing on my list is this 2-tiered organizer shelf. Now this can use under your kitchen cabinets, in your pantry, in your bathroom. It can use at your office area. This 2-tier organizer shelves it's assembled, so when you get it, you have to do a little assemble, and what you can do, you can use it to organize your space. So you can put it under your kitchen cabinet to store your chemicals, your sponge, your Scotch Brite, and so on. You can use it to organize your pens and pencils, your notepads at your office area. You can use it in the bathroom to organize your shampoo, your body wash, your face products. So this is a good shelf as well. It's on a good deal. So click the link in the description so you can head on over and get yours today. The final product on my list today is the Nest Diffuser as well. These Nest Diffusers are pretty good. I spoke about the candle. You can use these diffuser sticks. They are pretty good. They smell good. It's on a good deal as well. Please head on over and grab them. You can choose the quantity as well. Head on over to Nordstrom. Enjoy your sale. Enjoy your products. Thank you again for tuning into this video. See you on the next video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. Enjoy your Nordstrom Anniversary Sale.